Catherine Carter. I want to talk about wrongful convictions and prosecutorial misconduct here in East Feliciana Parish. It's outrageous. As I said before, I would have never thought in a million years that I would be a convicted felon. And for what? For exercising my First Amendment right after I was falsely arrested on the allegation of a bad unlicensed contractor. Not even from Louisiana. This contractor was from Mississippi. This was in the aftermath of Hurricane Katrina. No prior investigation, no nothing. But because I filed a complaint of wrongful, false arrest, then all of a sudden I'm the target. And that should tell should show that these law authorities have no respect for the contractors board at all. It's like we don't care what kind of evidence you have. You wrote us up, so we're going to get you. And this is a copy, which I blew it up, of a part of my pre-sentence investigation. Is you will see on there that they contacted Pelican State Credit Union, which was my credit union at the time, and they did admit they had did me wrong and they made the mistake. So why wasn't my conviction overturned? Because they wanted me. That's why. And Pelican State told me that it was going to get me out of it, but they lied. They didn't tell the truth. And I don't even have the respect I had for them at one time. To me, they're above it. Something has to be done about prosecutorial misconduct all over the world and judicial misconduct. We have an epidemic going on across this nation and in East Feliciana Parish. We vote these people in, these law authorities, and then when they get in, they look down in their nose at you. You know, I'm the prosecutor, I'm the judge, this, that, the other. If it wasn't for the small people like myself, or the 99%, you wouldn't hardly be a prosecutor or a judge. And we the people of East Feliciana Parish need to get together and get these people out of office. When you maliciously ruining people's lives and their reputations, because you got an axe to grind with them. My 17-year-old son, well, he was 17 years old when he was accused about 2 senior citizen educators that they saw his private parts over his shorts while he worked at his school, while he worked at Jackson High School during the summer. You might have seen this in some of my previous videos. I asked to see the cameras. I asked some other questions that I had of why this, the first educator followed him on the outside, even though she said he was so offensive and everything. Why would you follow him on the outside and start a conversation with him? That's not logical. And then after you talk to me and I tell you what I think about it, the suspicions I have, you get mad, so you pressing charges. Or you hurt him to get back at me. People like that have no business in the school system. And the second educator, my son maintains he never knew her, and her story is more crazy than the first one. She says that she saw him on a day in June. No date, no time whatsoever. Again, I asked to see the cameras. Couldn't see him. She didn't make her report to 2 months later after the Board of Education said they couldn't keep my son out of school. That's suspicious. The same day she made her report was the same day my son returned to school. But that's okay. God sits high and he looks low. I would just like to say that the people in East Feliciana Parish need to get together. We need to get these people out of office that are putting our people and young people particularly in the criminal justice system for a little bit or nothing. And sometimes for nothing in my son's case, in my case, for nothing. Neither one of us can get jobs. We can't own a weapon to protect our home or anything else. We can't vote. We've lost our voters' rights. And it is really sad. It's really sad. But the truth is going to come out. Thank you.